Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about ChatGPT. Yes, guys, you heard it right. This is a wonderful app which will change your life. It helps us in different ways. So, ChatGPT is basically a chatbot which was developed by OpenAI. Okay, so it is a chat bot. There's a robot who chats with you, who talks to you. It has included voice also now, so you can talk to Chat GPT. So it will answer you not only through chats, but it can answer you through voice also. So this feature has also been added and it's wonderful. So there are lots of things which you can learn from Chat GPT, or you can use Chat GPT in different ways to improve your English. So today I am going to talk about 9 such things which you can do or get help from ChatGPT. ChatGPT will help you in improving your 9 skills or to speak English fluently and confidently. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Well, today I'm going to talk about ChatGPT, the 9 ways ChatGPT can help you in improving your English, in speaking fluent English and improving your confidence and fluency in English. So guys, quickly subscribe my channel if you haven't. Like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section. And don't forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost. Yes. So let's get started. The first feature of ChatGPT which will help you in improving your English is by improving your writing skills. You can practice improving your writing skills through ChatGPT. How you can do that, I'm going to tell you. What you can do is, you have ChatGPT app, you can go to the ChatGPT app, you can start typing, you can write anything, you can write an email, you can write a story, you can write an article, you can write an essay, or whatever comes to your mind. If you want to journal something, you can just write it on the prompt section and you can just send it and ask ChatGPT to correct it. So it will correct you word by word, sentence by sentence. It will tell you where your words or ideas are not clear, where you have made grammatical mistake, where there is a problem in coherence and all those things. So you can just write and just improve your writing skills with the help of ChatGPT. You can tell ChatGPT that you want to improve your writing skills, hence you're writing an essay or an article or a story or a piece of information. Can you please correct or check if it is right? Okay, you can just write this note and send it, and then you can prepare your whatever you want to write, the article, the journal, or a piece of information or story, anything you can write, and then send it for the correction. ChatGPT is going to really help you in your writing skills. It will help you in improving your English at this level. Okay, so you can start practicing this. And writing is a wonderful exercise, guys. It helps your brain to get activated. It will really help your brain to get activated. So next time when you're speaking on that topic, it will help you to retain or recall the ideas, the sentences, the words, which will help you in speaking. So do get into the habit of writing. ChatGPT is definitely one of the best apps you can practice this with. Okay, so this is the first skill. Second one is, you can master grammar with the help of ChatGPT. Yes, you heard it right, guys. You don't need a teacher. You don't need a tuition center. You don't need a coaching center. You don't need an online course for grammar. You can do it on your own. And spoken English, you don't have to take care of a lot of things, right? The basic, parts of speech, if you know, the basic knowledge of grammar will help. Okay, so what you can do is, with ChatGPT, you'll get to know how you can correct your grammar, how you can improve your grammar. I'll tell you how. What you can do is, you can identify where you are getting wrong or what all concepts you need to brush up. You can ask ChatGPT also what grammar is necessary. I want to speak in English, so can you please help me with the grammar part which can help me in speaking correct English, and it will help you in that. So, or whatever you have identified, like you are weak in adverbs, adjectives, or parts of speech, or conjugation, or making sense, whatever you are weak in, any concept you can pick up and you can ask ChatGPT to explain it to you. You can ask them to give examples and context so that you understand what it is trying to say. You can also ask ChatGPT for grammar exercises and feedback so that they give the exercise to you and you can do the exercise and you get to know if you are understanding the concept or not, if you have understood it or not. And ChatGPT will give you the feedback also whether you have understood or you have done the exercises right. Okay, so this is how you can practice grammar also. You can learn grammar also through ChatGPT to improve your English vocabulary. Of course, you can pick up any word. You can ask ChatGPT about what it means. You can ask about antonyms, synonyms, collocations of words, phrasal verbs, phrases, idioms or idiomatic expressions. You can ask a lot of things. You can get to know a lot of things about these things through ChatGPT, which you can use in your sentences. You can ask ChatGPT to use those in sentences so that you get to know how it is used. Okay, and you can use those vocabulary in your own sentences also. Right? You can make sentences and you can ask ChatGPT if it is right. So start using ChatGPT for all these things, small things. Okay, next one is improve conversational skills. Now, how you will improve your conversational skills? Here what you can do is, of course, I said that voice feature is also added in ChatGPT. Now they can also talk to you. So what you can do is you can just start role playing. Okay, with ChatGPT. So what you can do is here you can tell ChatGPT that, I want to role play and this is the scenario. I'm in a marketplace. I want to buy something to eat because I'm very hungry and I'm not able to find a place. And you are a stranger who is going to help me. Now let's start the dialogue. Okay, I'll be asking for help from a stranger and you will be that stranger who will help me in locating a place to eat something. Okay, so this is a scenario and ChatGPT will help you with that. And in this way, you can have a role play or a conversation or any scenario you can come up with, or you can ask ChatGPT, tell me a story about a beggar, tell me a story about two kids. Whatever comes to your mind, you just ask ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT that let's talk about this topics. Let's talk about sports. Let's talk about Independence Day. Let's talk about celebrations. Okay, you can tell ChatGPT to speak on any topic with you. And then you can have conversation with ChatGPT. There will be open-ended questions. Of course, ChatGPT is going to ask you open-ended questions and you should also in return ask some question open-ended so that the conversation grows. Okay, so this is how you can come up with a scenario, come up with a topic, come up with a storyline or anything, in which you can have a conversation. So it will be a conversation partner. ChatGPT will be your conversation partner and it will help you to speak in English. Okay, and it will correct you as well. Next skill is it helps you in developing your critical thinking. You can talk about any subject with ChatGPT, right? Anything which is happening in this world, you can ask ChatGPT about it. You can share your own thoughts. You can share your own ideas about it. You can have your own opinions about it. You can question ChatGPT also, why this, why that. You can, you can develop your critical thinking by asking a lot of questions about certain things. Why it is so? Why it is happening? What do you think? But I think so. You can tell your perspective also there on different subjects. So try to engage in a conversation which will enhance your critical thinking about any subject, like why environment is changing. This is a good topic to keep your perspective, to understand others' perspective also. Okay, so start taking up these challenging topics or challenging situations and talk about it, which will develop your critical thinking as well. Another one is enhance your listening skills. Now, what you can do here is whatever you have not understood, any piece of information you have heard and you haven't understood, or any movie dialogue or any song or anything for that matter, if you haven't understood, you ask ChatGPT to transcribe it. the audio or video, any audio or video, you can ask ChatGPT to transcribe it and it will summarize it for you. Okay, so if any piece of information you haven't understood, you don't know, you can just put that there and ask ChatGPT to transcribe it for you or summarize it for you and tell and say that you haven't understood this piece of information. Can you please specify or simplify this for me? It will do it for you. So it will help you in your listening skills, enhancing your listening skills and comprehension skills. It will help you to comprehend the sentences, the structures, the passages, or the paragraph in English. Okay, so it will enhance your listening skills. You can listen to different accents, you can listen to different piece of information, and you can ask ChatGPT to summarize it for you for your better understanding and your comprehension. Okay, next is it will always help you to overcome your writing blocks. A lot of people, you will find, many of us also are really scared of writing something. When you are asked to write write something in a diary or write something, probably a feedback in hotels or restaurants, if suddenly somebody asks you and you just hesitate to write, right? It happens with a lot of us. It has happened to me also many a times. I have attended some seminar or some conference, or I have attended or I went for a dinner or a dining experience, and suddenly the waiter comes and asking, "Ma'am, can you please write a feedback for us or something?" And I got so scared, like, okay, no, I'm not interested, or I have to just say something that I am in a hurry, I have to leave. So I used to avoid that. So it has happened with me also, and many of you must have faced all these things. So to get out of this writing block, you should start practicing how to write with Chat GPT. You can always write some feedback or very common things which you're scared of doing, right? Generally you go out and you have to write feedbacks, or you have to write for your kids also. If the kid is absent, you have to write a note to the teacher or school or college, or your office also. You have to write an email or something. You have to write a note and inform your seniors. So what you can do is you start practicing through Chat GPT, or any piece of article you want to write on LinkedIn. You want to write something on LinkedIn, you want to write something on Facebook, you want to write something on Instagram, post a story, or whatever you want to do. Practice here. Start practicing here. It will help you to build up your writing skills. Trust me on this. Next one is it will help you to prepare for exams. There are lots of exams. You can ask ChatGPT to help you with the questions to prepare. For example, you can ask what is asked in IELTS, TOEFL, or any language exams, or any other exams also, any entrance exams also, for any group discussions, GD, or interviews, personal interview questions also. You can ask through ChatGPT and you can prepare. You can practice test questions and answers. ChatGPT will help you in answering, in correcting those questions. It will help you in different formats, different evaluation patterns. Okay, and ChatGPT will give you the feedback. So ask ChatGPT about different exam questions and practice test sessions so that you can answer those questions and get in practice for the examination. The last one is it improves your pronunciation. Pronunciation is very important, as I told you. Like vocabulary is very important, pronunciation is very important. Both things are very equally important to speak English. So here you can ask ChatGPT for different phrases or words, and you can ask it to pronounce it so that you can repeat it out loud. You can imitate, you can shadow with ChatGPT to understand the right pronunciation or for clarity of pronunciation or speech. Okay, it's very important to practice pronunciation. Okay, to explore pronunciation and to perfect your pronunciation. You can listen to native speakers also how they pronounce and pronounce it accordingly. A lot of online pronunciation tools also which will help you in your pronunciation skills. So you can ask ChatGPT to help you with pronunciation as well, and you have to practice it. So guys, that's it for this session. ChatGPT is a great tool to help you with your English speaking practice. A lot of you come up with this excuse that I need a teacher, I want somebody who can teach me. I feel that ChatGPT is somebody who can fill in this space and help you whenever you get stuck. Okay, Try utilizing these apps. These are very people friendly and very convenient to use. Start using these and start utilizing technology in a good way. It will definitely, see, I've told you 9 reasons or 9 things where ChatGPT can help you. If you start utilizing it, it is really going to help you in a big way. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep watching, keep learning, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye.